The 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, fog lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.